Sod's Law. Amazing. Zachmat appearing this morning. So bright, it's unreal. And I swear, the sun is getting brighter. It's just me. If anyone else has noticed that, comment below. Hello, Della doggy. What? What is it? What? You digging? You digging? That's a funny burn it's smelling.
Yeah.
Most unpleasant. So everyone, you'll be glad to know, if you tried to join us for the live yesterday, we're having some buffering issues. YouTube have changed the way, so if you live stream YouTube and you're having buffering issues, you can no longer stream on 780. It used to be 1080. So you need to go in and change any settings, mention video resolution, and also the bitrate, audio bitrate, 128 is optimal. So just go in and tweak those settings if you use streaming software. So that was what the issue was. So I did a little test and I figured it out. And yeah, it's all fine. So the next YouTube live stream will be smooth as a baby's bottom, or as a doggy's ears. There he goes, you see his bottom. That's nice. Here's our shadows. So cool. Shadows walking. Oh, just look at that. That is unreal, isn't it? It just seems brighter to me. Notice that at all? That was basically, I was going to film the birds. Oh, babe, look, they're in the sun, so they're flashing. There they go. Not as flashy as the other day. I've landed on the water. Right. So yeah, that's it really. That's all I really wanted to say. I quite enjoyed that YouTube live last night, so I'm going to do them more often on different subjects. I might talk a little bit more about deities actually, and how you can connect to them, which is quite nice. So don't forget, we're obviously on here, YouTube, we're on BitChute as well, all under the Witch's Path. So we're on BitChute, we're on brand YouTube, we're on Pinterest, we're on MeWe, and we're on Soundcloud as well. Some really cool stuff up there. Some of our like radio play type things, and our comedy as well, which is funny. Isn't that right, Dave? Dave. Anyway, I'm going to say cheerio. Have an amazing day. Be fearless. Sat Nam.